So you've just started your YouTube channel, but you're not sure on how you can make a thumbnail that best suits your video. Guys, my name is Ben, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a thumbnail for your video. Coming up after this. This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that helps you grow your influence and success here on YouTube. If you use my link in the description below, or just visit www.tubebuddy.com/send it, and if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you will only have to pay $4.50 a month instead of $7.20. If that sounds good to you, like I said, use the link in the description below, or just simply visit www.tubebuddy.com/send it to get it now. Guys, welcome. My name is Ben, and we're going to show you how you can make your YouTube thumbnail. For this video, it was going to be like a gaming thumbnail because, you know, why not? So first thing is that you want to do is you want to go to your browser of choice. Mine is Brave. We're going to go into that browser and you want to type in Canva. Then just pretty much click on the first link where it says canva.com. Right, so I'm already signed in here. Alright, so once you come here, you'll be greeted to this main page here, which is Canva Home. Right, for a thumbnail, you want to go to this little search thing up here, and you just want to type in YouTube gaming. Oop, there's two Y's there, gaming thumbnail. It should pop up here, hopefully. TH thumbnails. It just comes up as YouTube thumbnails. We're gonna wait for that to load. It will give you some templates now. There are pro and there are free ones. If you want to get a pro account, you can do that. But we're gonna do a free account here. We can choose from a template. Let's do something simple. What do we want to use? Let's go blank. Let's do a blank one because people will end up doing something that they want to do, not, you know. So we're gonna go down here to upload. You can upload images that you want to make a gaming thumbnail. For me, I'm gonna do like a God of War thumbnail because that's what's in front of me. Let me show you that again. To make it as a background, you click Set as Backgrounds. That's gonna pretty much enlarge that there for you. So let's say it's a part series. This is like part 4 of a gameplay. What you want to do is you can do many cool things. You can go down here to texts. You can either add your own text in here, or you can like use some of these ones. For the sake of the video, we're going to use our own text. We're going to go back and let's say PART, and we're going to say part 1. Whoop. We're going to go part 1. You can enlarge that. I'm just going to highlight all of it here. You can choose your fonts and everything. I like the action font. You're just going to gently pull that out. Put that there. Highlight all of it. You can also choose if you want an effect on it. Like for me, this is pretty cool. It's got little ghosting effects. You can change like even the color of the actual text itself. White kind of stands out there. Now, in saying this circumstance, you've got your thumbnail picture and you want make the picture more vibrant and more colorful. Now, when it comes to YouTube thumbnails, it's always good to have them wow and popping. Sort of have them like the color sort of a tad saturated, because you got to remember it's only a tiny little box that people are going to be seeing. So it's really good to have the image, you know, with maybe some extra saturation. So just come up here and adding that saturation. It's gonna sort of direct people's eyes to it because it's brighter, it's colorful. So now you've sort of got your thumbnail here. You got the part 1. So that's sort of a simple way you can make your own thumbnail. But I thought may as well I'm here, I'll show how to do the template thumbnails. And if you're enjoying this video, a sub to channel would be Beautiful. So while we got here, I'm going to do a templated video, a template thumbnail. I can't English today, guys. Get rid of that. So let's go back up to, I'm going to go back home here. Same process again. YouTube thumbnails. It will save your search result in any way, so you can just go back, click on it. I'm going to go and put in gaming just because, see if it comes up. Okay, here we got some gaming thumbnails. I'm going to show you to use the templates, simple and easy. Let's go this guy, he looks happy. So you can make it your own, you really can. So we're just going to take him out. Just everything in between. It's cool because you've got this own little template here as well, and you can do a lot to it. Let's say playing God of War. You're giving people seeing what you're playing. Playing God of War, best game ever. You can always stretch that out. So there's many different things you can do here. You know, you're not just limited. There's a lot you can do with Canva. Even with the free account, I find that the free account works good for me, but I obviously have the pro account because there's more you can do. If you want me to do a video based on the pro account and the different features and things that you can actually get, comment that down below. I'll be interested to see what you guys think on that topic. So I'm going to jump back into this here. So yeah, it's cool. So I put in playing God of War, best game ever. What we're missing from that is that. Nope, stop doing that. Anyway, so there you go. You've got an easy, maybe I could even put the God of War. Let's experiment here. And a good thing about Canva is it's very easy to get lost in it. Let's do that. Put it in the background. You can even change the color. Well, I'm assuming you can change the color of that. Well, look at that. You got a God of War. You got big man in the background. You can even shrink this down if you want. Put that up there. So look how easy I just made a thumbnail, right? Like, it might not be the thumbnail that you want, but it's easy, it's quick, and it's even fun. Like I do find this fun. So this is only going to be a short video. If you enjoyed what you've seen here today and you want to start making your thumbnails, Canva is quick, easy, and it's not going to confuse you like other programs out there. It really is intuitive, and I think if you guys would enjoy using this program. Let me know if you guys have used Canva or if you've got any experience with the Canva. Let me know in the comments. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, consider hitting the subscribe button, turn that bell to all, because when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a $500 Amazon gift card giveaway, and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So comment down, subscribe, turn that bell to all, comment I subscribed and I liked to the chance to enter. Guys, that is me for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.